Back home, the Senate is calling for a comprehensive investigation into the cause of last Friday's helicopter crash. The Senate wants the federal government to collaborate with the U.S. authorities to ensure that a thorough work is done. The Red Chamber observed a minute silence in honor of Herbert Wigwe and others who died in the helicopter crash. The lawmakers also resolved to send a high-powered delegation to the burial of Herbert Wigwe when announced. To Rivers State, where Isiokpo community has commenced 8 days of mourning in honor of the former Chief Executive Officer of Access Holdings, Herbert Wigwe. Residents trooped out in their numbers for a condolence procession to mark the first day of the week-long memorial. Senior reporter Isiokpo has details.
An air of sadness hovers around Isiokpo, the headquarters of Ikwere local government area. Many residents wear gloomy faces, shocked by the sudden death of a son of the community and frontline banker Dr. HebertWigwe and other members of his family. Commercial activities were suspended for 8 hours to honor a man who was celebrated amongst his people. Community members, friends and relatives first marched to Dr. Wigwe's family house in Isiokpo. From there, the procession headed for the palace of the traditional ruler.
I'm in shock. It's heavy, big shock. The day I had it, I fainted. But God to help me, I revived. It's a very big loss for us.
We have lost somebody. The Ikwere Kingdom entirely, Rivers State, Nigeria, and even Africa. It's a huge loss to everybody.
The late Dr. Wigwe left behind 3 children, his parents, brother and 2 sisters. For the family, it's been difficult to come to terms with the sad reality.
Most of us are still trying to wake up and hear that it's a fluke or something. But it's just a pity. The reality is he's gone. It's a big blow and we're looking up to God to comfort us really.
They should be thoroughly checked. The pilot and the crew, everybody at the airport, whoever that is concerned the weather, should be properly brought to book. We, the entire Wigwe family, we are not really happy. We've lost and lost and lost. Generation died.
For the mourners, cutting across family members, the community and the entire state, the death of Dr. HebertWigwe has created a vacuum that would be very hard to fill for many decades to come. Uche Okoro, TVC News, Isiokpo, Rivers State.